This chair is just way too plush and kind of sweaty. This chair is just way too rigid, and I don't feel comfortable in it. This chair is just right. It's plush, it's comfortable, it's even got a headrest. Let me tell you more about the FlexiSpot Foldex today. Hi everybody, I'm Blex, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Foldex chair from FlexiSpot. FlexiSpot did send me this chair in exchange for a review. These opinions are my own, and I was not compensated for this review. I do, however, have affiliate links down below in the description if you'd like to support this channel or purchase the products featured in today's video. The FlexiSpot Foldex chair is a fantastic option for those looking to have a feature-rich chair option at a $240 price tag. To me, this seems like a very fair price for all of the extra features. You get that folding ability in the chair, you get lumbar support, adjustable headrest, depth control with the chair, flexible, or I should say liftable armrests, as well as the options for this mesh or foam material, which I greatly prefer the mesh material that you see here today. They also have a few different color options as well, allowing you to personalize the look of the chair so they're not that standard rigid black color that you see, and you can get some creativity and personality in your chair. The overall build quality on this is extremely strong. The plastic is very sturdy, and I would say it's definitively more sturdy than the other chairs you saw in that intro, specifically citing the Costco chair, and the other mesh chair is a the other foam chair is a much more flimsy plastic compared to the FlexiSpot plastic on this chair, and it feels like something that's going to last and be around for a while, even when you're making all of the adjustments. FlexiSpot was not a company I was very familiar with going into this review, but I've had a fantastic experience working with them. They made things easy, shipping was quick, and the packaging was awesome. It came in a large box, as you might have seen, and the actual installation process took less than 10 minutes and probably could have been quicker if I wasn't recording at the same time. I want to highlight some of the bonus features that exist in this chair, the first of which is the kick-out leg rest. This is an awesome feature and actually makes this a really viable option for those who are console gamers playing on a TV or those looking for a more comfortable chair that can dual as sort of a recliner and an office chair. I'm thinking those of you who are living in sort of a studio apartment environment, this could be a great solution as it adds an extra seating option to your apartment while also doubling as an ergonomic chair. So with the fold out of the legs, you then have the ability to pull out the lever to allow you to lean back, and you can very easily lean back in the chair. It's extremely comfortable. I enjoy it. I have this tightened very much, so it's hard for me to lean all the way back, plus I don't want to hit my wall, but it has great range and it is just very comfortable. I would enjoy watching a movie in this chair. The headrest as well makes this key, as it allows you to truly lean back and feel supported and have that comfort you would want from this chair. The other options I want to highlight are the flippable arms, as I mentioned before. We have the, of course, Foldex feature with 2 button presses, allow you to fold the chair down. I will admit this is not the flattest position possible. I did expect a little bit more fold in this chair, but this is adequate enough to store under my desk and get away. It has the adjustable headrest with these 2 buttons here for depth and tilt, as well as height by moving up and down. And again, the plastic on this is very sturdy, so I don't feel like I could possibly break this, which I've been known to do. It also has this lever here, which allows you to lock or engage the lean back feature on this, as well as adjust the height by tilting it. Lastly is this lever that allows you to move the bottom chair, which allows you to shrink or lengthen the amount of depth that's in the chair. So for those shorter people like me, you can shrink that up and allow your feet to be on the ground, or for taller people with longer legs, you can absolutely extend that out so you feel more comfortable. Overall, when we're talking about competitors for this chair, this really plays in a unique space due to its price tag. At $240, it doesn't have a whole lot of competition with all of these features. The Costco chair I mentioned is around $120, but doesn't offer lumbar, head support, or this leg rest, nor does it have that depth control with the bottom of the chair. So you're getting a lot more for an extra $100. I think those once popular rigid gaming chairs don't offer anywhere near the features of this. and don't have that mesh fabric that allow more breathability. And of course, they don't have the adjustability of lumbar and headrest support unless you buy extra pillows for those chairs. Now, lastly, let's get into changes I would make. I think the first would be to increase the foldability of this chair. It can maybe fold a little bit flatter with some sort of new mechanism back there. I think there is value in that space. People would be willing to spend a little extra money to be able to store this chair away when not in use. I also think the locking mechanism, or sort of just positioning of this chair, is angled a bit more reclined naturally. I have increased the tension on the lean back mechanism to make sure it's as tight as possible, but it still sits a little bit back, a little bit more relaxed than I'm used to. It's not an issue, but it is a different position. So when you get a new chair, it's gonna take some time to break that in. Lastly, it's not a big deal for me, but this material here for the armrest is adequate, but I could easily see it being very warm in the summertime for those who use the armrest. As I mentioned, I personally do not use the armrest very often, so it's not a big deal to me. Overall, this FlexiSpot Foldex chair is an easy recommend for me for those looking to increase their storage space, get extra features for not too elevated of a price tag, and also have a chair that could double as sort of an entertainment recliner chair as well as an office work chair. They did a good job with this price point. The build quality is strong, their delivery, their packaging was all fantastic, and it makes it an easy recommend of a product for those looking for a do-it-all office chair. I'm Blex, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more tech, and now, office product reviews. Peace.